Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file 1702X full guide. Start by gathering your company records, receipts, and previous tax returns to ensure accurate reporting. Identify income streams, allowable deductions, and any tax credits that apply to your entity. Prepare schedules for revenue, expenses, and assets, and check supporting documents for each line item. Double-check calculations, attach required attachments, and choose the correct filing method before submission. Walk through the main sections carefully and complete each schedule with attention to detail, using your organized records to fill incomes, costs, and deductions. Enter figures for gross receipts, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and non-operating items. Make sure to report related party transactions and reconcile asset values to your balance sheet. If a section does not apply, mark it accordingly and retain supporting documents for possible review or audit. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: I recently enjoyed a book that can change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with learning smart filing habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up resources that make tax season easier. Thanks for stopping. Now let's get back to the video. Keep an eye out for common pitfalls that can trigger penalties, such as missing schedules, math errors, or unsupported deductions. Reconcile totals across all worksheets and cross-check with bank statements and ledgers. Avoid mixing personal and business expenses, and document every deduction with receipts or contracts. If unsure about specific entries, consult a tax professional to prevent misfiling and to protect deductions while staying compliant with filing rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.